Ganda. Hello guys. Good afternoon. It's been a very long while na hindi ko po napuntahan ang nabuksan ng aking channel or aking Alingas TV. And so right now I decided to open it up again. I still have some followers out there who would want to uh, uh, makita yung aking mga videos. And right now personally and physically I'm here sa church namin kasi tingnan mo guys, pinagawa namin ng church namin. So here, so guys, so if we would understand guys, so hindi ko na naanhan talaga aking channel kasi po ay una-una nawalan ako ng mga gadget, nasira, nabasag. So hindi pa ako nakakabili. Right now I have this one I used for my actually guys, nandyan ako sa Reels ngayon. Salamat sa Diyos na meron naman akong followers. So where that is guys, isa lang real talk sa akin yun na parang ang utak ko. If you are in disappointments guys, di ba, who would you turn to your friends, to your husband, to your wife, to your mother, your parents, or what, your close friends? But I can say that I could always turn to God for guidance kasi kung hindi, parang masisiraan tayo ng disappointments in a way that you don't like things that are happening in your environment, in your surroundings. But guys, sa disappointment na yan, we will always understand na we cannot get everything to our own favor, but we can only get one sa Lord lang talaga guys. So within the chaos of disappointment and exhaustion, maybe it's physical exhaustion, monetary exhaustion, mental exhaustion and all that, we can always turn to God. And I can always say guys na yung exhaustion natin physically and mentally will just, for me it's just